evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Aya wabota o, wabebe negeka ya wabota. Wakojo o. Ina wenu wado dame ogin oba rijore. Ida wa miena ogin oba. Wadogo ogin oba o, ogin oba. Hey. Ijore novi omoze no gyomba ogiri efua o ori efua ne o wa do dame o memete mianasi wa do dame o gyomba ijore novi omoze no gyomba ona kin ogin ewo ona kin ogin osa ijore novi omoze no ri ewo wa do dame o med yede gwayo wa go gyomba o gyomba Ijore novia moze no gyomba. O gyomba. Ijore novia moze no gyomba. O gyomba. Geno kinyo gyomba ze mwejiwe. Ijore novia moze o wadodame o. Meme egeri odwe nasi. Ime egeri odwe nasi. First of all, o gyomba ni ijore novia moze. Uwe. E club umagbane do. Where a sort of water or wet or rubbish. Imagine we yata ebon. Ni kakbeni. Ede Saturday. Why where umagbane do club ma exist. Udamea. Wa mi mavederio. Wa mi all the umagbane do club. All of us we are present there that day. Ewe ni kakamawe. Ogin oba wagui. Igo no fie mai. No gun anagbu ejori. Ugwagwe ni age mi igo rokpa. E sota watan we ya mu ivi agbon unu na ye bogbalian. E be mi na ya gbalian o. Ne ya na hohua. Ne ya na kun igo jowo bo wonya go ni ajori. When we not there, unwina. Wonya go ni. Igon West Ham me vai. Nuna ja mevu me keka. Uja fie here go. Iega bali go jo wobo. Uja bog bali o. Ujore no via mosai wa nwa me kedene nakba wuve mi mo khian khian we. Wa nwa me jore wa degboto wa fian wa degboto wu. Wa gwere gbe nwa me wunda we woja me woju me ijore no via moze no gyomba ijore no via moze o iwa me gbeli kin ayi o awe bo na ti we ba awe bo na ya ti we ba ni aketi ewe akedo miewe do yam ladian egwa hia ladian do mwe bogbuwe umia ya jogwa umia o ya jegwa ni adede ti wewe kenana ti ezona ugweni agaze yin age group man gbane do de Saturday no derio wa mi view magbane do here okay we are me yogin ba ni jori sota wata were tian ri go nu wewo nu we ya ye bogbalian o nu ya ye bo muyan muguna nu ya ye bogbalian o all of you putting this red here I'm going to check you later okay because we are not doing any ekia salt and water here just get that into your head okay this is not ekia salt and water platform. I'm coming to block you later. Just they put that red head. When I finish this video, wait for me. Okay? That your salt and water of prick and toto. Now I go first come pour for your family head before I go block you. That your prick and toto salt and water. In fact, now I go take key your family before I go come block your house. You will put that red head. So, wa go gyomba o gyomba wi yen ma go gyomba yen kin. wa gbe ojore no vi omoze wa lori agiti enu we agiti ebo no we no gufu ani we ye o agi mwegeri ya ya ti ebo no we ya ebo rere ebo ni redo ya fe na mugbu we ebo ni regwa ya fe na mugbu ogin oba ogin ewo ori ewo ni jore no vi omoze ijore no vi omoze no ri ewo o ha mori re magbe ko ika dame yo gwe dame ye vinota gwe dame yo gay wa were gbe mi o ma ro pa ego ve salt and water ge ki awu he na wa mi o ijore wa nwa me wa degboto wa fi awo dege wa degboto wu ijore no vi omoze igo na no fi ai ve salt and water ministry a ministry, God forbid. That's why even if I want to write it on comment, I will not write it full because you are blaspheming the spirit of the living God. That your salt and water. Ego oman we have the me ego viva. Ego ya fen we me I self woo we me ame. O here we gege. No when I get mema we ne e man of page no man of pago. Better ego we when a man do azen when una ye bog balia o ya fe. Uje bog balia o ni adoga kun igo nuwe. Be salt and water. Oge kiawu enu. Dene. Because my me ya gene ne video ne yo god ya bo na nia ogun oba wa go ogun oba pa o ni meke we mi ogun oba i mai mi egbe odun na de i mai mi egbe ogun oba no kin ogun oba upon ogun oba and ogun oba of the highest level of the height of all. This is number one, the height and height of all ogun oba na ke mi ogun oba wa no i mai mi egbo ijore no vi omo zena de yo why ogin ba na hani ogin ba okutuku no gi wa so ogin ba hi wa go ogin ba wa we hu ijore no vi omo ze no ogin ba wa we hu wa we hu wa we hu wa we hu ijore no vi omo ze ogwe ya kan wa ba cassava yi o he gi jore no vi omo ze ogwe ni e to time wa we ni ya ba e yo ogwe ya na we ni ri owo pa go du ogwe onyamiri na wa mwe cassava e ni ne no ma se cassava ogwo na wa lijeke ona wa yin ogwe ba ni na wa daso ogwe ni na ido gwa ebe ni ya we do ni e do tin ha mu wa we ni ya wo nyamiri ya we ogwo nyamiri na do gwa yo to ogwo na we ni eri ogwo pa go duku ni e bi oni sango ni e bi hunko ogwe ge ni e wa ya bi hungo ni ogwe de ke no nyamiri na gi lasu e yo na e ke no ike lasu cassava yo ona wa ogwo na wa ba yin ogwe ho ona ke ba pa ona do ba yin ovun ni san eri o gba no e salt and water ma wa una ana do mi o e ke no nyamiri na iwa ba e cassava yin ugwe ho ni a e ba ni ana do mi we onyamiri gi gwa nefo onyamiri na bu yin ekpo nisan why because wo ni yekere aga ne ekpo nisan so bogi sunuwo yen na ni a ge prophetess of black and white pennies misty yen na iwari amen yen na wari le onyamiri e bombo e ba ni eke wa be no wa ya nebi egbe ni onyamiri yena igwari ame lele yena gwa ga pe yena gwa pisani yena ga si eyeko okay o wa give ya we no pa de no pa ona we ni e ba hu yoto onyamiri na we ni jore no vio moze no ba hu yoto when e wa ya ba hu yoto ni asogin ba of among all the ogion bas he on a way the ami jagbo ba yenu ijore no vi omoze okay the following day onyamiri or give a nefone before that time himself a cassava onyamiri ona wa disappear for good 14 hours Ijo renovio mozenia, kinye ko nyamiri ya na igagwale. E kasava go nyamiri hia. Wogi lao, we kasava nyamiri agi lao. Wogi lana. Wadami omena, my people. Ana wami was egwale. E kasava go nyamiri. Iana do yamieve. After 14 hours, iana yamiena adanene. Voto e Paris. Iagi mie e kasavo e onyamiri nia vadane neni iana ikawatume ekbume iana watu ejame. That was a kind of a mystery. Emi no mai sunu dedemede. Ai na mie o agi ya mie kasavo onyamiri nebe adane nebe ni gugwagwana eteme ni gan. Ana we o onagi oge ukpokpa na ya zume yame. We agi u ki e konyamiri yana wagbekbo yana rie eki. E yana di sekio yana wa yadade ekbume no rie eha. That way, that kind of mystery, it has never been seen before. Where Kyonyamiri wado disappear for good 14 hours. So my people, a testimony, and a testimony nania, ona yeve yadai kain, a confession so. Wada me no sunu wagmo. Emi na ma emi wagmo de e mere do tam wana. Unda we okake owe emi na mi wagmo ayazeri. No, ana do mie bo ya me we ala jan do we confession ania. Kekebe a testimony, because that was a very big testimony there. Anna mewe ekioma iwa disappear or wa vanish for good 14 hours. Ari yamienia ayamieva adanene. My brothers and my sisters, is that not a testimony? Anna meo a confession kekebe testimony atana. So na agi mione ana ya dekbu me ha ana do ya tuwe ya me ana wa emi na ni this pool na miebe summer we mana na mujogwa duma onu ye beach. So that kind of a pool very oni magi wa balame you. Hana rigati praise the Lord, hallelujah. He has done it again. He has done it again. Brother, you say waiting. He has done it again. Brother, you say waiting. He has done it again. Ana meu, ane do swear. He want a confession of soul. No yaba testimony. Agi emie okyo nyamiri ana do bala meye pu ana do tuekbu umeha ana do tueyo eria do ya pe eki atekeleni ogo nyamiri agi ze ya pe agi ge no na ite yewe no muhu go to ni nia agi ge o ona yewe na ge wo ge gaje na ona do yewe na ge bodun eria ogi gaje Hey, man, well, sister, you say waiting. No. Wo yana giga gbe yo gbere. Ki ano wa wi for 14 hours. Ogi gbagbe ni odo ajebe bodon. Ki onyamiri. Ga no, my people. Wogi sunu, bene ki ani yaje woge bodon ya. Ona ewe do body ehin ilala ona. Ona we ni ejo renovio moze, ona we no bi ekungo. No muhu ba yoto already when eyan ka be wa yoto ban so ona igbe no imuhu ba yoto ni eluvun ni sangiri e lai onisinjo renovio moze no gba ana mie o eri confession aje ni wata de nani wa isunu ana do mie uwi mi na isef ai na do mie we It tell me some part of confession, a confession so ni Jimmy. Ma ya discover na wa danene. e cassava ogo nyamiriga ajena ana do me wimina e ga no on your dream so everyone sort of water pa sort of water ge ki apa e dream wa no wa beg have confession and have testimony ya na brother you say waiting I go dengue for Jesus oh I go shakara for Jesus I go shakara for Jesus a testimony na ima webe na a confession me ba so ya pe nene o mi na dan e na weri ono ana do mi o we vi gbagi lala ona onyamiri na idole e merere ana do mi e werere magi gba o re no prophetess of black and white penis ministry go gyan ba no riago owo wi yen ga mi no waya e werere magba o si e ban wo vi gbagi lala o ona we no merere e o vi gbogi ya ba cassava yo o si en wana begerere magba wa adam e me su nota you can continue with this confession now okay nyamo the video Baba Tabata. Ewe va. Iya mi ebe ba e oriomo. E trailer va ya ga ba. E ba ogbu e wonya ba ni a. Ogun gbu onu na ogun oba ogbu onu na ogun oba. Wonya ba ni. E ba nu scam evo here. Uje bo gbalian o ya mi ego. Wonya ba ni. Wonya ba ni. E manu gbe ya ga ba na. Igba igbogbon eteyan ma egu kin ogun oba. Iya ma egu ogun oba ukun ijore no vi omoze. Arun pa o ha me be gbo ma ni severio o ha me be gbo ma ni severio bo to Benin City ni owo we yen gwogi oba ma na hin we ni yemi e ba agwagwa ogi oba ogi e bo ya ino e lati redo igba igbogba explain e ma we mana nu we kana u say na we are ring road di jore no vi omoze ogi oba we ba wa ya kin agbera be ring road di keka tu we ami o ma pa na o ka we I jore no vi omoze na kin hagi ye we ama igwe ma ni rigwe ai we homaro pa ma we moro va wo nya go na wonya go na uma ekun go be dagmo we de u weti ese we ya wo dagmo we o si we fie nu je na eti fu e be dagmo we ya fe o ni so we ya we ti se we ya wo o ya we la pe fo won na nu na ya we bo no we gbe awa we hi iya mi e ba e oriomo iya mi e ba e agi ewe iya egwogi oba okun ya na mi ewe ba ya e ba ni ogun oba na gbo e na ege won afin awu do ma na mi ogun oba e ba e boy o ma ni prefer ni egwu Johan okay ama go han very my doni video we are kings and queens in that kingdom that's why it's called a kingdom. O ha mere do here o ha mere Benin kingdom so no ama weta mi we ozuo o ahoho abagbon o afin awu iga ebe ijechola pa ga be do ijechola pa wonya chola ni igo ni wonyan o ahoho o jobaji ewo o afin awu awu gbe ogin oba ni jore no vi omoze ogun oga gbo ana mienu ya lawe Facebook na owege o leluela o ajeje ti today owege e u ya lawe Facebook na u ka lelivie Paris wo bu live Facebook una lelivie rewo una ga tiya dade ni ya fefefe giema u kwe ni arokpa ye bia donire Paris la mieno la wo wa o wege ni o ya la we Facebook na o wege ni o ye lelu eti tomorrow no ana fi agwo ege no gugbu e ogwogwo ma ropaga we mi no ma uga ne ego unless we ma je salt and water we na unless ma ja irego Gozu na negwa agmeni e ogi gbe ni gbunu ye a point million a point million ma even viere ye ya suse kun igo na e uje bo gbali ya uga mi ai gene gwa agmeni e yoto na gi e point nenemi wa gbe o hi o ko eneni be ego gi oba we himself u dame yo ru da yan gi e wo agele gbe na wa be doge Eya wenu kunyo ba. Hukome. Wa bugbe o. Get out when I go ama when I yaga baya. Ogugbe ragbiju ogu eri e vision e we gbe ni very ode. Huh? Imaibo no na yaga e. Huh? Imaibo no na yaga e. Agi wawe ogion ba no suhungu ijore no vi omoze ogion ba ogion sa ogion evo o haimwe ya fast forward dem na when you go age he setting a video so
damorave what imege papa na TV
eni ka onu mami e ba ude idi ani yesigi o mami na mi aropa de nugu ja go hian
no Michael Gibby. I cannot do that.
Okay. Gemi no mam emi na no mama ju huna. Eba ni ke no bu yen na ya webo ni. Ke no bu yen na yen na webo na ni no ya scam me ma hiana. Why beg this mami water something. No ye mami water ga ebe mi o ja isef. Imai iani imagiji ni vie wo no kien gani. Gay o buy me ni jemana gay e o veri jemana na o buy jeba o ya dupe ya hena no ya scam ya hena o ye na all those things Nigerian people ye have ni na gay if you woni ni webo ne o we no ga gome mi ni yeva no ya fiviere go yafu u la jen wo gwa ru pa kian we mi no ma ne ono na iya ka mu wege tin ade de nego e sort and water no we ya figo ku gwa ke mi no ba ye hai na ni awu no ebe oni uhun tano gbabe wa gbe ogi oba awo gbe ni ya gana ama ego ogi oba ukin ha e mani ma ego ogi oba wekin wa fian ogun ogbu eso ni afera anybody that is under this fake account a sort and water care we all got gbera gbiju one a sort and water ge care we ugu no gbijo re no vi omoze nu ti iju o kian agbegbe we e bo panya ina mu gbijo re no vi omoze vedo o kian ya see you family o kian ya hoji he you egbe o kian ya see you egbe a Sonia whoever is under this fake account e ken wana ya ta le kia we be sort and water a miracle keke be testimony no wa me women no gun ana gbo ye ravijua ogun oga gbegbe ogun oba oga gbegbe we e so na ferry you are an idiot, get out of this place. We are not doing pre-count sort all together here. Okay, I only deleted the comments. Ah, shit. Anyway, I will catch you. Okay? So I only deleted, I didn't block the person. Silly man. Can I hear me? Nothing no kwa wake you wa. Bodo, uwe wani ujena. Write another comment out. Udamia. Ekeni ana luhun baki ayu wahe. Ekeni ana yahu eru wa vijuwa. We my aga ya adeseki, you know. Uoge wani ujena. Ekeni eru wa vijuwa. Iya do bia kukungo. Veni ya baki ya yin he. Ah? Write it out. And let me see you. Write another comment here. Can one tell any Yahoo is the public? Huh? When on Yamiri ya back here, you here. They teach you again your work bag or do they talk it be a cook god, they talk it soon vacant. Yanke ya back here your way, Eri. Wagbo idiot. Memi what do I we mana? Hey, they a Facebook now gelena wa mi gyo mana wa mi one face to face. Wa. Abo gyo bani mama. Wa fian wu. Egi enwi gedu noro. Oni wa me gbele kin aye wodo. Ge enwe mila. Enwe mila. Nesu we no ga zogu se. Oni wa me gbele kin aye wodo. Nesu we no ga zogu se. Zo weson. Huh? Iwe bo e moneredi ama gbabungbe. Wa gbe o idiot. O he mo wa
Okay.
Oh, sopa.
Okay.
Doleve osioba we okay. Iye te gogo ona smile ba. We not riabu. Oriavu. Omega with wisdom money ya gwegun. Yena agogo. The trailer no ya guy by no manya. On your girl idolebo no queen. Ah. Your wisdom ya go wegun as an advanced person. Yena a trailer na ya guy by kana. Oriavu. Fake account Prince Alex Solomon, you are getting out of this place now. Your mother is getting out of this place. May they go to tell you how they take fuck your mama. You understand how they say may your mama make it turn upside down. May your mama head day ground. May your mama nyash day up. They can't they put cassava for your mama nyash. When your mama her waist bend. You understand? From that our waist way bend. Now from there they can't they penetrate cassava. Or how other men don't they can't they fuck your mama? You understand? For public. How did they throw away salt and water inside your mama toto? Inside your mama kpekus. So after your mama shit finish now, you go come they chop the shit. Get out of here. Fake account Prince. You are a dirty idiot. You are a slave. And after this video, I'm still going to go through. Why did they say, why I'm a very strong auntie, Yore, no your mose. Hey, Igai Bugwafo. I yawe Facebook Ganamioma, yeti vakba Wugwahu. Utamia. Hey. If I have to be frank and sincere, okay? So that's just the truth. DJ. Oh, see, me came in a week. Runza, bonania, ekenana yati ezonania. Ijo de novio mozetam edo ya mwebog boy, ego mwebog boy. Udami, you are no in fact, unless we are women, rio wase, boy, bebona, na vio gave man is supporting wena, ni support when no gion banner, or makan where marry egwe. Runza when do yagi mwebog bene, my group na wagua, my setting to rio bog better, even guagi kameje, emi yane, my wetty man with a berry bog bagwe, bena ni o mabu were amari egwe we okpa bo swim ana
Okay.
Alaworo Jo o we agugo pa.
Ne na wo bobo hen muri obie e o ha gi wari phone ya tie na I erere we na ga e ga gwere gbegbare ya be e bo nu weti e bo na e bo ni aga nu we bo gbe e awe bo ni we ile phone una ya tie ba and this is December bo nu webu wemwebo gbe abo he nu webu wemwebo gbe ebo kebo nu wi agi gave jono u wemwebo gbe ya wegi uneni a wegi tinya we na smile ya evani we ana wala kamia we iwa ma ho we mi kai kedo ade we aya ta le trailer
Okay. Isobo, no bombe no se no mane pe wa le on. Utoto na kia bi no wa fiofio no mane no je na ku be gwa.
Unwe na
yi. Awen ati e bo chori abo. Bi na ya aso ni me ba because I €50 here. Isobo.
Yo me ma wa gbosha.
Bi na so ni me we jono bi mo se orion ba no. Sister, ya na orion ba me kikin. Iya ara kwa lo mo tebe. Ade ma na.
Orion ba pa, ijore no bi mo se. Orion ba ukin. Orion evo, orion sa e uwekin. As far as I'm concerned. Utame ya, we amwe bonu gbowe. Orion ba pa yan tie we, we do ya mwe bogbo. We gwa mwe bogbo. Orion ba yan ti we. But I me ha ina we orion ba pa. Orion evo ukin, orion saloboa e ukin. Okay?
Iya ibo yen mata we no. Ijore mane ni no.
Oh, they no bui.
Iya amweketi
adeva wa bege. I'm illiterate. No why webo. Why bege me no buy ya? Oh God. Even na no roe ha na wa we no explain the meaning. No why I get bo ya mia yego. Huh? Imagine an illiterate that will say she want to lead people. And truly, I don't know what is their frustrations in life. Here we oh no na go zuona. Oh we can yana mweketi. A case of yakana. Ye ne guagmeni e. E can yana mwene keti giwania. Oh na wo we egbano wu. E me believe. O ma come and ogi waiting here with that salt and water. Ogu wena na ogbano wu iru yaropa. Uge ne enwe milania. Oni wa be la jon ga do. O porararararara. Udame who ati you know any. Esu ogwe no ga zo wu se. Esu ogwe no ga zo weson runda uso gbuwe. Ikma gbuwe uso gbuwe ku hu ya so weno. Ikma u se gbuwe. Who said boo ever dagmo? What you know yam with my a club in area wa it's a movement. What you know where ya? My bag where oh hey bona you got correct you where mana wa magbane do this Saturday wa me ma here gidigba. Ima mudia vedo okay? Una yo no you know ya oni na we even weti any runda we ovio bo we making on no me. So my no magbane do mean. Who can be a tip pronounce say? Umadege, o hongi ga kama we, yongi ga correct we. Where umagbane do, ati a clubina, no do tu wazona. Uguma manoki, okay, okay, said then I boazona, and then not dear your wa begging my here, okay? Enwe mila enwe gedu iwe gbu wekene gulaye lecho neso ogwe no gazo wu se wa dego ogwo awi obu onome di labalaba pant wa gbe o umadege ga agwenika onu we bani umabege agwenika o wete weto han fie phone ni ugu wa emeni gi ladian wunuwe eni ka ona wa fin line ni okay di yon fin aga we de respond
ya time palace where me ma no ba mo aburo there aye ra wan yo
ma bege no ya tieri mai ogo ba
ni approve e ma me
o meme ijore no vi omo ze no me
o meme suki abo ina we gbe yo echola ina ga ba wori omo ina ari hospital ina ya free aru 26
ina ya free aru 26 igo we no wokun igo na ah nuna ya free imama no via your prison no ya free hospital ta discharge ma eta free in prison one ya go na o jak ma jemi wa ho wa ba boy mo awagmo ya free ma ah ufu come ai que na que son avec boe wa ge no na wuri anenu ai de o mai in fact o man wa wetin ala de google egwan is just a waste of time so
so e ko pa no we so ya we bia to eni amana kwale mi no ma beto eba ni amufio ki wa na wa ge mi ya wa nera
emi no ma wa gui ma beto emi no ma o wa gui ma be Benin Kingdom emi no ma e ma mi eve we mani emi no ma e ma mi eve Benin Kingdom. There's nothing you are going to say about that. There's nothing uma nukpo uma begewe e tu ho wa uma begewe na dogi ye e do hien webo fo upon how many years ijore nu wa mu una ya rovie una ya te all sorts of negative words towards a do where I can igwe gbe mi opoma vegbewe egbe dan nuke ladin agba yo yowa nuke ladin ayoro egbogi oba for how long I mean mo panu mata gedo but today look at Edo is progressing the more no ya e wazen we ni egbe tukele won azen we ni so kun ye magbowo e me no we do ima wa ma we do mi esi ma mi we do to no e do ni o majo e dedegbe no o salobwa no yagbon no ye mi e dien do ni ka o iya mudia no to no e do ni so that land keep improving every day, getting better and better e do Benin Kingdom ye hie we boni even ye massive we boni e Benin Kingdom.
Ti o saloba be ti ni ka wa ga wa mu wa lo be lave na ta se
wa lo be lave e bucket on na that one pa no ri lo be lave nu ke tai how many years wo lo be lave where e bleach ni e okun aye nwo no aya gbegbo ijore no wi omo se uwe anwo I agbon ga ize lo uwe a ize legawe e meme na ga ize uwe o ga ize logo ge meme na wa to bo wo aya mo bleach ni wa tu enwo wa tu enwo gbegbo a egege eri okin aje nu so e wa no arun opa abe mani ma so ni gun I know my focus, I know my mission for now. We wa get to wezu ave dagmo we ya fe no we ado ya gun no concern me. I don't have your time. Udame yo unda omona makoko wehin we to we ado agu me gun we runda we tie boni jore why because we ho ave dagmo we o ma no me we ya gun o get to ho ania we ho attention when we are seeking the YouTube ni aba mo a thumbs up in your way. I'm not here for attention seeking. Okay? I know the reason I'm here. So my way the okpanu do I expect we more dogmeni we message to this one or mono who have in we waye when I was the ye ke we worry and ufia we dagmo we omo no amakoku o my send agbeni ye message. Okay? Wa gbe owo tin ya jealousy jure wa fi uwe ma ya ho ave nuje we no mo bowo ogwo bowe ne bosi mu yo wa hia ne boys mu yo wa hia no ana ruga we ha gwegun get out we no wa hohoa we dagmo we ya fe we no we ya gon safe abado kai mo master mo gon ase ado I give him a like we a YouTube ma wo gbadu ki ebube ki my ihe gbe ma ewekin get out wa zuwa we ogwe no ya gbe ni me ni be do laden do gbon wo ma ise ni me adli we ni we message gi already agbon mi gba we eyi atakian oni no hogo yo hogo re no my energy no my negbe ne gweri abuku ido gbe ni we ya say message my say go and bath first go and bath illiterate idiot. So that's that. Me and you rest about. Okay. She has always been money conscious, not the CF in Nigeria. Any relevant person who want Ladian, who want me message again, when you are so irrelevant. When a gbemana there who were that more me dori obi me na me ya type a message you we ikma gbu well get my ya me reply no e like we do go alone e bo ya tale lo kan get to ho age ugbe yo gbere yan ma nke no jewo eso werere we magba ido mu mwege I do na jewe orere na hia wo bo iwe do mo bo eri type it a message you might dey see ama we ukere gbe bu toto me obi o kan tikele obi o kan no gbe buluku wa gbe o anybody na me wanera bi na gele respect wa iyo na do ku ni wa ga me wato na do ni ka wa ju wa gu na ya to kwage o omane gay omano wa gun anani aka efo abedo ijo re no bi omo ze du gele ogin oba uga nwa metuga love lave u a love lave ijo re no bi omo ze asidi we aya gbegbo a ebe blish u we awa ya dasidi no waro blish we aya gbegbo wa ajore. Who is calling? Hello. Iyan we ko iyan we we my speaker. Okay. Go ahead.
Iwe bene atiti yarobi chief image empowerment emania edema to because okekene power modio ball le because area sorry ogun ba ina na me ogun ba na do ke obi na jokino ogun ba na do ke obi na because manager obi ya do pa ya make example ne ni kenya begbe okay imagine obi ya do
e ba ni agiri na
okay imagine a B&B nya was anyone power me dege no time we go be to be say no waro biwe go be online o waro biwe online
na uhun e arobie o ga titi o e boni ya no tie uhun e o e hiari uhun e ya kun e uhun e ba ga gbo e no ma ko ke ni ga laluwe
very
atiti na laluwe uhun e boni yari no.
Ona mania edema to.
Iho gege chifi mageti fa won so ba o ma me mi opa no wa titi e. Egbe kina ya agun akan na erijore no vi omo ze ya do. Ona mo do ya, ona mo he ya, ona mo bo ya, ona mo makwa okoma gi no gi redoni.
Wani me ono so no because onegi ori aladan do atalo social media.
Then me na verere ladan na titi my sister hold on atiti atebesun afi pege egwa ni. Di e my say that extent ni. Jameo. Then me na re la jan do wash e va sokpa. Atiti ave. Omo.
When the chief is with me, when you are with me,
A problem me do mas.
Ni e fi where or sweni ona maybe or my sin but we be akwa we se gbon ave. When o we me yo when you are try ni win na your beto do ni akwa kan beto we na wa nwa agin ya. Mo se me yin gbe ni na wazu ona ni ya na wazu.
Atiti e wa la jan ki e kunu no ya la lohe. O wa do amo ebo gbe egbe no ke la jan ge chief man agwa no ba agwa nemu.
Agboto egbe ya wa mu gboto ya ma egbe ya mu gboto no wa ya tema agbo me na do ya ma wa ru ebo gbegbo wa. This is very very bad. This is very 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 bad. Why you move me na call because in short oh God.
Da ma pa no kiamu ye na jena. Utamia. Titina ni ama sister be ni wagu we gwan na. Uweti obi se ba. Obi ora e wa no, obi ora. Na mi ewe ererera iya do.
Ye ka e shifinia.
Iya ma be mi egbe wo dedemede. Utamia.
Okay, they say ya fe boya.
They say wa no.
Ya fe na wa fi gbegeri am anyhow.
Ni aya gwa le viewers.
What is their problem?
Who want mo ka mo baroro na die hu ke gwa latia. When no any no wa yala luheni or iwa gbeye insult ni. O ye gbiwo eri o wa ya release e fo. Then I get bomb. Unweni no mamani no keke lega. Gati ti. Yes, na. A popularity and we are gualo. Popularity and meme.
Popularity now, God forbid. Popularity
where me so my sister la hold on and you boy you go me so ni wa be la din about you okay okay ni am we we live video na maybe I think we am like 8 to 10 euro no you understand we okay live video na cannot be more than that like 8 to 10 euro every month near but who we do ya ge ni okpa ge so waru wodio na onwe go wodio na ni majena eta hasano mawo Uwa be do mi ave ne re magba uno me negbe wana gwigun ave gwalo ave egun yana ni me live video because of 8 to 10 euro ninia utamewa mani wa be gwa audio iye wa to na be na akwenye ya te no pa to the extent agbon be mi gba yan ajabu hun dan we ma na emi ma tapa wo nu wa to na akwe gwa itobe iye wetin aladia do agun aye me do ma wa no gwa yan ai Muda o mano gele latia no more do no ma. I have you no time ma.
Because no you mete na on ni no guana fiu bege guana. O ma mi we wa ko obi go ga we aka awaka awe obi go ni aka yo piafia. Oh this is just the time for him to act now as a chief. If him that the guy a chief, be chief of from Benin Kingdom. Now you can do ya. This is the time for him to act. Yes. This is the time for him to prove to them that he's a chief, he's a real chief. Not for you cannot only let people mention his name for nothing. You understand?
For how many months now? Na titike one way a whole chief Irobie chief ai a whole chief
social media na lying or even ye watiki where in talele na ye we sinya eni ataloba enya no gomoga eredomio because of social media or lying. So you have to clean it, you have to let them know where they stand. You have to let them know their lay. You have to let them know who you really are in that Benin Kingdom. This is the time. Even I went to my use it. Maybe royal way where you deal with Tia. There's another way. We stay here. Do your family. All sign of that take key.
Exactly.
When you people go social media, me ya working me oh. Me ya working me. Oma chatting me with another different way. Me another different way, re.
Miriano.
Yes, why you stay here the arrest the family log ya ife. Oh, you to be answer not that take key. We are when you go if you go again no so the family or sign no obey police. Because this is too much. There's another different way. Every other area but that I give when you again now. I tell you well. I give my boy take it serious now. Well, only more I saw a Stacy ID or a soldier or your son that take it. Because only me because of here too much This is getting too much. Insulting one person is too much now. Almost too much now. Because of the way who were insulted money. Also no I mean now God this not ya when he have it
Miriano.
Yes, now. Also now, did not go anyhow because of where or no catch a bonnet or money my way, will give her or will like Mama, I'm gonna book where again. I don't know how to put it. I'm gonna book where again now. I'm gonna book where again now. More is still coming. More is still coming. More is still coming. You have to stop.
Where no pano near what we are to Clementina no Rodonia was when I saw a chief in my man and your pano we I. Get if I was so by Hogay or mamma, your pano we and I know what me only this one and no way we would do. Clementina, no you know you get in white bay. Evania titina mi ebobo. Evania B&B kevedo laga dogo via busoma. Evani so many of them.
Proof. You know, proof real like that. We know we are in a fine. Just where you have proof in here like the way we know any of them. Any other feedback where you go to their family house. They have family. Oh, home here about
home. Yeah, Rosemary wa be me we are of the chief ikede you ade. Oh, ha get Rosemary try nonsense in no wedo. Oh, ha get try go febo. We nonsense in ye wedo. You have a police station there. You have got that taking there. You have some that take you where you are when you go to feedback on social media. You have again now. Need you. And then no you may have more bug one year name. Mammy has been WhatsApp. A social media. I might dem and tell you. Because
that we may be calling a program you way. I will be very, very happy. I will be we are can boss I am balancing. No saying here. No seeing bolo here. Or no saying na way. Many measure you may wago or anybody want me a picture or a picture or a picture that from your lad. Any man in new way. It might call a plus or my any insult in or my camera can with picture lad. You're waiting a baloto to make him picture lad. If maybe bring a tell of social media. You want to so why? Once it's so why I'm near ya fair. That woman that will be mirror, walk your sign. Oh, baby, your anything I will make more. If I will know, walk our
you know,
you can't put a baila like him. I can't put a baila like him. The baila like him. Oh, your son that taking now. Oh, sign it. Oh, sign if you cut in it. Oh, your son if you stay here. Oh, you're not me on your great canoe. Call Mama. Oh, what that will
say. You go, Mama. Okay, Mama. You see. Ogiana rimi. Awo toga mi we no ne. Eken wa do ese wa gi do ese na. Wa. Agbona ana be mi ewe atiti na laluhe. Atiti na laluhe. Ave mi ewe unu no ya no ye ziwo ni no gyon no yala le pekusu ave hon we ununi na titi yala luheni ove do ya ti ebone arun opa we no wani maname mi no we for how many months now atiti na danyo diku atiti na la luhi
Anthony, me we join your mose, orion mono, orion bano, sister, yana orion ba megikin. Iya agwa lo mo teme, ade mana fiore na, iya ipo yen mata we no. Ijo de mane ni no. Today na. Iya gwagwe, amwe keti ativa, tata orion ba. Emi no ki kan ba ne baba. O keke ni maya time palace.
Good no.
We mi o ma no ba mo.
The palace nuri. E palace na ke giun go egba igbogman. For how many years? E ban ye palace. E zona de kan we no rotona. E benari e go. An giun ba ni jore no mose. Wana su hu wo gege. E benari e giwe. Na rotona kan we. Ni a no ka kan we ni aya tie we. A kedo mwe borere gbo. E bo ya fe no redo amugbo. Ah, o magbepo no ahia gani. Ah, agi ka agwen yegi gwalu we bani.
Wanyo wo wa ya. Ni ado take no mo no bana tieme. Oriye ni approve e ma me.
Ogo pa eme respect okpa eme. E borere na tie wu gwe. Na mulo et oto edo hia. Eri mai wan river. Ihon ge ma. Ah? Ozuo. Na odi me wo yen gweneri yan do ayu no unu yan roho yen gweneri yan no bian ni no mamani eri yan no bian no mamani yen gwe yan atiri yan utie me era dan no biave ogion bana yen ga tie yen gwe no do unu yan ni yan do unu yan roho era dan no bian ni yen gwe o ya wala dian eri jore no vi omoze no gion ba do unu roho o you roho eve minuye ke na lubede no je na gbele kian o wo ewe no junu roho bodo
Ukpona etrela ya ga.
Yes, good evening. Thank you.
Ina we gbe etrela.
Oh, Gerati. Trela igbo ohun wagbon ori abo. Owa ma ka mori abo ge tori abo o wetin e dole yi. We no ri abo nu hun dan hun no gwia. Hun no gbabe. Amaka mori abo wetori abo. O wetin e dole yi. Wa ho wa ori abo no mama ni jore no vi omoze.
I want to e be no wa ajepa. We mi ya wan naira the case na.
We no gbewugo e ka gi e gbese. To pin no ya oge. E gbo ogugwe na kina. Agbe o ori abo.
Do wakari ge mate wa stop ori yana. Ave mama na vioki wa na koto don lebo make pa.
Gagunu ori abo. Ogun ba gbu onu na. Ori abo. Maka mori abo ge tori abo wetin e dole yi. No gun gbu e gbe supporters we ya. Won adegu ogwa. O hai moi. Ori abo. No mama. Ori abo. Uwe adasi di wa anwoi. Egi e blish wa mioi. Auga ize legawe wen wejena. Runda we bona matie we ba. E mana mwe ne do ya mwe bogbede ma tie we club ma. Ari e begie. E tafia we wen we do na e alamana na ni ona we gbegbu. Runda ma invite we ba matie we ba. Amari e bebo na go. Ori abo. Wa gbe o. Unuena hiya. Gage miya wenyaja. Eken wenata leki amuhe yuwe salt and water. Ukun iviere go. Yekbo. Ujebo gbiyan o. Uwa italemeki amuhe yuwe salt and water ne uweni aya yahuwe. Iyan do amina. Eken onisiyan na atuwako kwa. Eken ahiyame. Ona tin la diyan wuvun nisan. Ekene ofebo ona la dian we pekus uwe ye mi ego ye rubbish ni ya ah a confession A testimony of women. U mi vierego, u babemi, u baba ye hawenia. American una ya rue minana, emi nu baye haina, nu ya fiego. A zang mo azemi, ogyon ba. Uwe anwasi dijo renovio moze. Runda oja like Facebook na o wege o ligi ti o mula we Facebook na o ye lelo ehia. Enika ogbu egbe supporters we kema no gi support yo renovio moze no gi ba. Uwaga love love waga weregbe nwame uwaga love love be ni jore novio moze kai ijore gbe follow asin ya fefefe kema no gi support yen go vio moze owu waga nwame ogwetu uwaga delegbo to wa iwulo owu waga nwame uwaga love love ijore novio moze no gi ba oriabo ni jore no gi ba ogwe support asin follow asin owu wa nwame ogwetu waga love love ogwetu waga love love ogwetu waga love lave eri oka igijuwa ni jore novio moze no gi oba no riavo na pe mahu ma bege mi nota Wage prophetess you a testimony niti ha u by magigele be woni fo ani wagi megi mi am a testimony me ijo ke confession iwa soni ayo de o magije a testimony so no te awarin riban sister you say waiting I go dengen for Jesus I go shakara for Jesus a testimony on Rena. Gugbe o. Gugbu. Ene ya nyawo he ya dae. Nga ye cassava lawe. Erere wena. No ma gbana yore no vio moze. Ami em yokpa no talo yuwe salt and water ni. Uke gweni ya yaje. Amugu we mi ame nu ni ani ya yaku. Utume like me wa tu yure no of your mose. Wa tu. Utume ola we gbe bagbon. Wa tu. Wago meme o. Ona de yo mo fuani.
Say why don't collect money from anybody.
Emi no tala ni amati e ba o. Amari ebege. Waya e go ona meme gbikin ai ne o. Enika ofiye kegbo ofiye yeah okay ebanika okenwe do fiye kegbian we ma we nika ogiredo uwe nika oro pagiredo we keno kena we fiye kegbian ememe kporu we ma we enika oge dien doge e Paris yan gije de bo kenwe ya fiye kegbian ya enika ove dien do nu wewo ware Paris uwe agiro tedo meme kporu o ya gbegbo ayore no vie moze ope nu ke u
wa ya ju panu wa gbe ka jorere bo se pe re ya ni dai ope nu wa ka mo poor people wo tornado bo se pe re ya ni dai
ni ogi ka me no se ekun moda wa ege ogbin ayawe kun ne igbo ogbin ayawe kun ne igbo o to nyami ne boyfriend ani e kana yogi teme no se wo ti igbo na wa da me ho runda ekun ni we ni o ti igbo e we ana yawe yan be we kun ne igbo igba gbogbo teme we
no bi wa na swala mogu e ro ni ya boju wa ya ba
e mo pano talaja wonu no gbaro ge e mo wa muro vie na o e ma rururu Sal. Oh. Oh. Imam ni ita. Imam ni data. No. No. Iten de gele de fois. Ogba maka moria bo getoria bo wetin doleji. Yi ugwe ite wa ogo dolo bo wekin. Ugwe ite ogo dolo bo wekin. Ogwe no gbewugo e wi yen gbese. Sokme no ya oge. Ugwe na ite wa ke gbo ewe odolo bo. E wekin. Wene oriabo. Oriabo number 1. Oriabo number 1. When I tell you, okay, yeah, or dollar be working. I go slow. I beg you, what is your name? Who's looking? Are you mad? Can't you see I'm talking about something reasonable here? How this girl, she's contradicting herself. You're know your mother. Me sort and water kill all of you now. Who say looking, make Ogun kill you. You hear say na salt and water ministry dey here. Not be even ministry. I hate using that word to say, do you know what ministry? A ministry means. You think say when they go, when mama they go come they talk out una take for they take do vaga una mama. Now you dey here. How salt take pour for your mama kpekus? How your mama, they say make you raise one leg. Are you mad? Get out of this place. Idiot. You the crazy, I'll block you straight away from here. You don't come here to commit rubbish. Wow, bell. Igmoni marwe. Wa fiyawu. Ogun igbo egbegbewe. Agwa abegwe na gwenye degbedo I provoke uhunya. We me daga o ma bi mania. In fact, the whole wide world, and I can say it. Understand? It's not a no, because my mommy and Rock Pan Megele were hating with that moment. Damn you. But you're no your mozena. I hate her with passion. Or a baby may say for where we should not hate anyone. But when he may hate you're no your mozese. In fact, I still ask God to forgive me. Father, I cannot deceive myself. I hate this girl so much. You just have to forgive me, Father. Useless who say, looking, my sister, who invite her here before? Idiot. Then when I fake account finish, when they talk rubbish nonsense. I don't even know who call her here. So I don't block her. Okay. We no tira. We no tira no era no moze. We no tira no moze. We no tira no moze no hohua. No giwa you to me. We no tira no your moze era no moze. Omo no kekwa. I beg you, my people, now no say I know, in fact, even so, not be even no videos I did look, but our own, you can never see me there, but just because of this rubbish, because they not call her inside this case, number 1, it no consign her. You understand? They not give her paper. That's so she just don't come out, come begin they use her mouth, they cause her head again. They cause her head again. As if ye wa go ye na megi your terminal your kaime no sebo to edu. Ijore no ya mose uya megie. Iwe we ya wo igbo yan be we kun. Ya wo igbo. Ya we kun igbo mama need we be we mani. Wo mo ukeko agbe. Ano. Won ya we kun igbo. Mama need we be do. La wo. Nous zima bovetun, zima boy yuri, laho. Laho. Yagbe boa. All right, so my people, now thank you so much because I don't want to play it. more than him. Oh, God, Oriabo. Nijore no vio mose Oriabo. Guy, oh, me wa bega wo ebu we mana kiye kemi no gon mi yuhun. Imaye mi ne yo gage Paris takikibo. Oye be mi niga atano. Ijo no vio mose ya we queen bigbo. Mama queen queen no meme. Ere to edonim. Mama ni de queen no meme uwe meme gbeli kian. Okay? Bye bye my people. Thank you. Maybe later. God bless you. Thank you. Silima.